What if we can approach our mental health like Marie Kondo, like what sparks joy? Hi, my name is Dr. Kim. This is Like This podcast. And today we're going to continue our mental health hacks series. I kind of started this mental health hacks series whimsically, and then the retirement analogy really stuck with me. And then we've been kind of talking about your mental health retirement plan, just like retirement financial plan. So last episode, we talked about paying off the debt. And today we're going to be talking about decluttering or budgeting your mental health. So, like Marie Kondo, she's a very famous home organizer. And especially in a hoarding ish situation, she asked the clients what sparks joy. And I kind of want to approach that to our lives and our mind. So, a lot of times when I see my patients, some never tried psych medications before. They're just kind of seeing a mental health provider for the first time. But some patients come with 5 or 6 mental health medications or 20-25 supplements that they have to take on daily basis. And when I see those medication lists, not saying that each of them don't serve a purpose or a benefit, but it kind of tells me that there's a lot of clutter going around in the patient's mental health realm. So how do you budget? How do you declutter your mental health world? And just like my patients coming in with 5 to 6 medications or 20 supplements, a lot of times we're told you need to do this to stay healthy. You need to do this to be calm. You need to do this to be mentally well. Well, that doesn't make me calmer. That doesn't make me more grounded. That doesn't make me more present. So today I'm not going to ask you what to do more. I'm actually going to declutter and talk about what not to do that's already on your list. Like everyone else, we have 24 hours a day and limited resources. We have 24 hours a day, X amount of money. But how do we build legacy? How do we maximize our money? It really comes down to our choices. So in the financial world, when you're budgeting and when you're looking at your budget and what are some of the spendings that you didn't know about that is not necessary? Things like sneaky subscriptions, or the clothes that is in your closet that was once your style but now is not, and you feel guilty throwing them away, or extra purchases to keep up with the trends, but it's really not you. So in the mental health world, these things might be unnecessary hours on social media that's giving me ideas and comparisons like, oh, my house is not as clean as this lady's house, or I'm not losing weight as fast as that girl. Or, man, that person is so successful and they're younger than me and I feel like a less than. Or things like signing up your kids or signing up for all these classes that you or your kids don't really want to take, but there's a FOMO, there's fear of missing out. Or in your business, you have to do certain things, certain marketing tricks and keep up with the Joneses to stay afloat. But maybe it's not you. Maybe it's not bringing you to the present. Maybe it's actually draining you than giving you a sense of purpose. So again, my take-home questions, just like what sparks you joy, is what grounds you, what brings you back to the present, and what gives you purpose and strength. And if things in your life are not answering yes to these questions, maybe you should consider cutting them out. I hope this helped and brought a little bit clarity in the confusing mental health world, and stay tuned for the next episode.